Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Solving this separable differential equation is actually super fast if you follow these steps. Let's find the value of f of 1 right now. First, we separate the variables by moving 2y to the left and e to the x to the right. Integrating both sides gives us y squared equals e to the x. Next, we must find the constant c using our initial condition where f of 0 equals 2. Plugging those values in shows that 4 equals 1 plus c, so c is 3. Finally, plug in x equals 1 to get y squared equals e plus 3. Taking the square root gives the final answer, option B. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given and check steps.